welcome back. Today I've got something very special and new. This is a organic facial kit from Oriflame by Love Nature. So it has got 4 products in it. One is the face wash, second is the face scrub, third is the face mask, and last moisturizer. So without any further ado, let's get into the ingredients. It has got organic guarana, papaya and pineapple. This is the face wash. Face wash is of very creamy consistency, if you can see. It's very creamy and it's very soluble also. Secondly, we have got the face scrub, which is to be used after the face wash. This is the consistency of the face scrub. It's amazing. It exfoliates the skin. The exfoliants in the scrub are natural, organic, and it's biodegradable also. So it cleanses your skin exactly naturally, absolutely naturally. So the consistency of the cream is also very smooth again. So what you have to do is massage your face with the moisturizer after you are done scrubbing your skin. We jump to masking. So masking, this is something which you have to keep on your face for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face off. So I'll show you the consistency again of the mask. Clear. Apply it on your face for 15 to 10 minutes and then you're done. Good to go.